Thank you for all the years of love, loyalty, devotion, and generosity you've thrown my way. And I still love playing for you guys more than anything else in the world. So it's such a fantastic thing to be still going and loving it more than ever. So I want to dedicate the song to all of you. Some of you have come a long way, and this is a song for each and every one. Thank you very much. God bless you. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. Not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, no, or a man who makes potions in a traveling show. I know not much, but it's the best I can do. I gifted my song, and this one's for you. This is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in the world how wonderful life is, how you're in the world. Turn on. So excuse me for getting with these things I do. See, I've forgotten if they're green or the blue. Anyway, the thing is what I really mean. You're not the sweetest thing ever seen. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in the world how wonderful life is while you're